everybody, today I'm going to show you my water dispenser. So what is a water dispenser? You can see it, it looks like this. So you can see it in hospitals and many other public places. So this is how it looks like. So do you think you can make it? Yes, you can. So here is how you can. So the use is that it dispenses water without pouring. Like if you will pour, you might pour too much and the water will get wasted. So idea is gravity and air pressure. Working principle. So what's the working principle? Working principle is that open the bottle allows gravity to pull water downwards, while air pressure pushes it out up through the straw. Basic physics concepts: gravity, air pressure, and fluid dynamics. So in fluid dynamics, you learn about how the liquids work, flow, and flow rate, pressure and flow rate. How it. So if you put it a little bit, drop will come, and if you open it fully, a lot of drops will come. So you can see it in the video given below how it works. So finally the fun facts flow rate can be adjusted by hole size and straw length. So let's see how does it work. So the air rushes in when you open the bottle cap and gravity helps the water flow out through the straw. Benefits are portability. Like it can be easy to carry. One can take it wherever one goes to get water. You can control the water. You can choose how much water comes out, just like turning a special tap. So I have a special message for you. So we save water while having fun. Learn about physics and control water flow with our DIY dispenser. So if the water is dropping out, you should immediately close it and fix the water tap if it's broken. And Earth loves water, so then you can also protect Earth. So hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back with more science. Water, bye.